Hello, this is Gail Davis from Horizon Hill Crafts. I've had some requests to demonstrate how I made this flip-flop tag, pocket tag, journaling hidden space belly band. That's a mouthful. So this is what you do. It's very simple. It's going to be a very quick video. So all I did was I have a piece of coffee dyed paper. You can use whatever kind of paper you want for your journal page. You have a full-size 8.5 by 11 printed digital. I used digitals from Paulette's Freebies, except for the backgrounds. Well, actually this background is from Paulette on this particular piece. This is one of her book page freebies, and it looks like it's going to work for this. But what you do is you print both sides. I use 32-pound white copy paper, and you fold it in half. You fold it in half again. Then you take this part here and you flip it to the back. Now, the question is which direction your paper design is in. So this paper is going to be like this. So my pocket is going to be on the left-hand side of my journal page. So all you do, like I said, after you flip that other side backwards, you just put a little glue here to make your pocket. A little glue here at the bottom. Close it up. And I'm going to ink. I'll end up inking all of these edges, so none of this white will show. All the way around all of these edges as well. And this is just to show you a journal card. Again, this is from the freebies that Paulette has given us. So you just stick it in that pocket. Okay. Now I want to glue the back of the belly band to the page. So you only want to do the top and bottom because you want things to slide all the way across. So I'll glue across the top, glue across the bottom, stick it on your page. Okay. Here's another journal card from Freebies. This goes into the belly band. So you'd have this here. You'd have this one here. It can be tags too, whatever you want. That would go in that pocket. Then you would, well, this is probably a little too big for this, but you flip this middle section open, and you can decorate whatever you want on the inside of this. And then you can flip this way, and you can journal or decorate whatever you want on this side as well. But that's how simple it is to make that type of belly band. I've got another one. These are also, this side is Paulette Freebie. I backed it with some graph paper. This I had from another graphic artist. And again, you fold it in half. You fold it in half. You flip this back piece under. That gets glued to the page, and that's your belly band. Glue along the top. Glue along the bottom, stick it on your page. Now this one, because of the way I folded it, I want my pocket to be on the right side of the page. So you glue across the top, glue across the bottom. Here's your pocket. Whoops, small card. Here's your pocket. Here's your belly band. Flip this open. Like I said, this is a little bit too wide for this. But here's your inside to decorate or journal on. Flip it around. Again, journaling spot or decorate. But that's it. That's how easy it is to make these. There you go. Thank you, Paulette, for the free images. You are the best. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.